guys, what's up? It's Libby and I'm back. And today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes I have. I have 4 slimes to show you. So, let's get started. So, the first slime that I'm going to show you is going to be Neon Pink. Ta-da! Something. So, I'm going to show you it out of the box now. It has a good tab and not too good of a stretch left. So it has a tab, right? But not a good stretch. But you can get it to stretch. Like, you let it straighten out all on it, and then use this. Pull it out, but that unfortunately did not happen this time. So, the next one I'm going to be showing you is, I've already did this one with you guys, it's the Elm Snort. So it's like neon green. I'm not going to take this out because, like I said in the last video, it's really slimy, slicky. It's not sticky, but it's slick. So, it's like green. It doesn't have a tab. It doesn't have a stretch. It's kind of like the pink one, besides the pink one has a tab. So, then we have your next one right here. It's not one window, but it's in this window container. So these are your colors. They did not come in this. I'm going to first show you this blue one. It has no tab. It has a pretty good stretch. Like, it has a pretty stretch. It's not a bad stretch, but not a stretch that you really want. It doesn't make bubbles. None of them make bubbles. So that's your blue one. This one is actually probably like the best one I have. Because it feels different. It has like a better stretch than pretty much all of them. And it's like purple. See, like, this is probably the one that I've got pretty much all of them. Maybe I can make a bubble. Let's see. It's not popping. Oh man, I got a hole. I got a big hole. I don't know, but it does have a good pop to it. So, it has like a little bit of a tap. So, those are all of the slimes that I have for you guys today. All of the slimes. So, make sure you go down below, give this video a big thumbs up if you want, and make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you get a bell when I post new videos. I try to post like every Tuesday. Remember, second day of the week, go down and comment some dares and like, I'll play truth or dare. Not some dares, but like, not truth or dare, but like, dares like I can go in a store and play truth dare. Like, so. But you guys have to put the dares below. So, make sure you go do that. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and make sure you click the subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next video.